Pick it back up now here in between Georgia, and right in here somewhere there used to be a windmill stand up. We've just passed it, but it was Poverty Heights. I do have a picture of that somewhere on video, but yeah, this is between Georgia. That between grocery, it's been 20 plus years ago now. When we were working in this area, it was American owned, and there was a older lady in there that cooked breakfast and lunch, and the biscuits in there were as big or larger than your palm. Whatever meat you got, whether it was sausage, whether it was a piece of chicken, or whether it was steak, and it was always outside of the biscuit, of half an inch outside the biscuit. Tenderloin, fried. She would make fried eggs. A lot of places don't make fried eggs for you. She'd do fried eggs. It was delicious. One biscuit was enough for breakfast and snack, and then a second biscuit, if you elected to get that for at the same time, would be enough for lunch and afternoon snack. But like so many things, all of that has gone away. Okay, we'll turn it off and pick it back up at Split Silk. Okay, as we head down this hill here, we'll be coming up on Split Silk, Georgia. As I was saying, as you head down this hill here, we'll be coming up on Split Silk, Georgia. It's a little community. It's not a city. I have no idea how or it got its name or why it's named Split Silk. But there is a sign, Split Silk Unincorporated. And this wonderful DJI Osmos had cut off by itself again. And I say that, it's supposed to cut off by itself, but not while it's recording. If it's not recording, it has a time set up to cut off, but it's not supposed to turn off while recording. There again, I cannot recommend this DJI Osmos camera. Loganville Auto Auction. Used to enjoy going there on Wednesday and Friday nights. They had good food. It was pretty decent entertainment, watching all the people and watching the auction. Okay. Be coming into Loganville. Loganville Ford. There on the left. And everyone will have to remember the commercials. Coming up on junction of 81. You all have to remember Maxey Price and his crying towel. I mean, it was hilarious on TV. Yeah, 81 goes to the left here. It'll go all the way on down into Covington, Oxford, Covington, through Walnut Grove. Yeah, Maxey Price and his crying towel. I think he used to claim to be the Corvette capital of the South. He used to have a blue million Corvettes out there. 81 will go off to the north here. If you follow 81, you'll have to make a dog leg to the right. It'll take you on through that little community out there and then over into Winder. Okay, it just switched automatically to photo that time. And to switch it back to video. Again, we are headed west. It's now 72 degrees, going right into the heart of Loganville. We'll be coming up on Georgia 20. Georgia 20 to the left will take you down through Conyers, and then on out, I think through McDonough, I'm not sure, hit 138, cross over 138. To the right will take you up to Lithonia, over to Lawrenceville, Buford, Cumming, Canton, Cartersville, Rome, historic Monroe Cemetery, okay, I'll be turning it off. We have gotten through the main part of Loganville, and then we'll pick it back up around Snellville.